Lead generation, what you need to know now. Lead generation is very important in the business world because it helps you attract consumers to your business. You can either do it yourself or hire a company to do it for you. The latter choice is risky, so it is always better to find ways to generate leads yourself. The video below offers solid tips and ideas on how to go about doing that. Make sure that opt-out and privacy policies are clearly visible and laid out on your website. Make sure to stay on top of those leads that have opted to not receive offers or incentives. It's a waste to send those to people that aren't buying, but also those that want some privacy. Know going in that lead generation is a time-consuming and ongoing process. It's not a set it and forget it situation. You need to work at it. It takes building trust and thought leadership in the markets in which you sell. Be patient and work hard and you'll really reap the rewards. Check out events in your area and see if there's a way you can use them to generate leads. For example, if there is a cycling race, buy a sponsorship package. Then you can get yourself on TV talking about it, or in the paper, or just talk to people who are there to watch. Door knocking is always an option, so don't rule it out. This can even be true if your business is B2B. Visit businesses and ask them about who they're currently using for whatever it is you're selling, then let them know why you're the better option. Leave some materials behind and move on to the next location. Talking with businesses in the area that are similar to yours can be very helpful. If you are an experienced landscaper, share your knowledge of exotic flowers. Yoga instructors can give tips for easy stretches that can be done quickly through the day. Are they able to learn anything useful from you? After watching the above video, you should be able to tell the difference between a good lead and a bad one. If you go about generating leads on your own, then follow the tips that you watch here. Outside companies that offer lead generation is usually a bad idea, but with the tips you just learned, you should be able to be successful at it on your own. Student loan.